If I had to use one word to describe the default head strap that comes with the Quest 2 out of the box and its sound, then that word would probably be meh, because it's not particularly good. You don't get a lot of support from this head strap, for instance, and the sound is passable and okay. So here we have the audio head strap from Kiwi Design that promises to upgrade not only the comfort of your head strap, but also the sound at the same time. So does it deliver? Welcome to my tech gear. Let's find out. So in the box we have this nice easy to follow guide on how to install this. We have a nice cleaning cloth here too, as well as yet more instructions. We have the backrest and top strap, and finally we have the main unit itself with the headphones already attached. So installing this on your Quest 2 is really easy. What you need to do is take the facial interface off first. Now undo that top strap and then flick the two sides to take the original head strap off. Now take your new backrest and you will find a left and a right imprinted on the back of that headrest, and you'll also find a left and a right printed on the main head strap itself. Line those up and click those in. You will hear an audible click when they click in. If they don't, probably means you've got them the wrong way round. Now take the sides of the head strap, clip them around the front of your headset first, and then push them onto the back and they will click into place. Then take your top strap and feed that back through your headset. Put your facial interface back on. Now take the audio cable of the headphones and plug them into the 3.5mm audio jack on the side of your headset. And now it's all done. So the head strap itself has a padded backrest here, nice and comfortable. It's going to be nice and comfortable on the back of your head, so it's going to cushion your head nicely. Plus it's got this PU leather cover as well, so it's nice and easy to wipe down if you get a little bit hot and sweaty, for instance. And that padding and that PU leather continues to the strap across the top here. Now this strap is actually a lot wider than the original Elite strap that Kiwi Design used to do, so that's going to help distribute the weight even better across the top of your head and help improve comfort. And then on the back of the strap you've got this dial here which is fully adjustable and will suit any head size from 17.7 to 29.5 inches in size, so it's pretty much gonna fit everybody. Now the build quality of this head strap, as with pretty much any of the Kiwi Design head straps, is rock solid. You can absolutely bend the crap out of this headset and it's not going to break, unlike a lot of other headsets that you see in the market. I've used the head strap for years and this one is no different. And getting to the headphones here, well, these are fully adjustable, so they can slide up and down on these headphone arms, and they'll also swing forwards and backwards as well, so you can find the ideal spot for where they just nestle on your ear. The foam in here is super soft, and it's covered in this nice soft faux leather as well, so when it sits on your ear, it's not going to press and it's not going to hurt, and you can wear this for a really long time. You're not going to get any ear fatigue or anything like that. It kind of feels like putting a marshmallow on your ear. And for the sound itself, inside these headphones are a pair of 40mm audio drivers giving you 20Hz to 20kHz frequency response. And that's typically the same as you get in most gaming headsets from the like of Logitech and HyperX. And that gives you really good audio. You get nice clear highs, you get crisp bass. It's not overly bassy, but it's certainly a lot better than the audio that just comes out of the headset by itself. And having better sound really enhances that immersive VR experience, so much so that once you start using it, you'll never go back to using it without. Another great feature of this head strap is this hinge design at the front. So this will actually flip up, which is really useful if you want to have a look around whilst you're playing a game and someone's talking to you, or you want to flip it up to towel yourself down whilst you're playing a fitness game. It also makes it really easy to take the headset off and on again, because you can just flip it up at the back, it comes off, and then when you want to put it back on, you can just hinge it back down again. So you don't have to keep adjusting this dial at the back to put your headset on and off. Plus, when you actually move this head strap up and down, it actually moves the headphones. So it actually moves the headphones away from your head to make it easier to come off. And then when you put your headset back on again, it'll push the headphones back onto your ears again. And that's a really cool feature. So I've been using Kiwi Design head straps ever since the original Quest, and their head straps have always been rock solid, and this one here is no different. It is super comfortable to wear with the padding on the back and the padding on the top. It is super adjustable, suiting a vast array of different head sizes, and now it's got super audio as well to help you be more immersed into your VR experience. And I'm actually not normally a fan of on-ear headphones. I really generally don't like them. However, I was actually pleasantly surprised by these. They didn't annoy me and they were actually really comfortable to wear. Your ears do get a little bit hot when you're wearing them. They don't get anywhere near as hot as if you were wearing a full-on gaming headset over your ears. I do have one issue with them though. So my default case for housing pretty much any headset and head strap has been the Bobo VRC2 case. It's been great. Any head strap I put into it, it just fits. However, now the audio case from Kiwi, or the audio head strap from Kiwi Design, it's too wide. So if you try and put this in, the headphones go over the edge and they're too wide for the head strap, so it won't fit in this case. I have tried to have a look online. I cannot find a case wide enough to house this head strap. So that really is the only negative. So if you do like to keep your Oculus Quest inside a case, that's going to be a bit of a problem. But other than that, that really is the only issue. In my opinion, you should always upgrade the head strap that comes with the Quest 2 out of the box, because it makes such a huge difference to the comfort of the headset. So with Kiwi Design making some of the best head straps in the market today, the question isn't whether you should buy this head strap, but rather which head strap should you buy. Because if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that they already released a Elite style head strap. They've also released a battery style head strap, and now you've got the audio head strap, and they also now do a battery audio head strap, which is basically these two combined. So really it's just a case of finding the one that best suits your needs. They all come in at slightly different price points, so we'll put links to all of them in the description down below, so you can go check them out for yourself. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to check out any more great Quest 2 accessory ideas, be sure to check out the link up here. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.